said melancholy. I don't know what alchemy is.
Details are out of proportion or reminiscent of parts of the human anatomy or of abstract symbols.
A form of chemistry and speculative philosophy practiced in the Middle Ages.
They are allegorical images rather than botanical illustrations.
Claiming to have profound powers.
The Middle Ages.
The medieval tradition was not to represent them realistically or naturalistically, but rather to represent them in terms of the powers that these particular plants possess.
However, in the early 17th century, illustrations of plants are depicted in a more realistic manner.
If we're talking about a book that was written in the 16th or 17th century, you would expect it to be much more similar to a book like this. This book is from 1562, and as you can see, there's a much greater emphasis made on precision. You can identify these plants.
Such aspects of art history are not considered during Tepenage's time. He only works in a style he's familiar with.